A share boundlessness cost essentially equivalent to $7.1820 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 7.0240-7.7320 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 7.4190 in an unpretentious way. The change was 0.2370, 3.19%. Really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Backwards rate, United States dollars to axes, which is very critical. A share limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost $7.73, truly greatest 8.27, certainly least 7.19, in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share endlessness gauge on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $7.17, by and large most extreme 7.67, certainly least 6.67, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $6.56, all things considered, most extreme 7.02, fundamentally least 6.10 in an unpretentious way. A share vastness conjecture on Thursday, walk 16, cost $6.35, essentially most extreme 6.79, kind of least 5.91, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. A share vastness cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, cost $6.44, by and large greatest 6.89, least 5.99, which generally is genuinely huge. In multi-week, a share boundlessness figure on Monday, walk 20, cost $6.43, most certainly greatest 6.88, extremely least 5.98, which especially shows that a share vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $6.56, kind of greatest 7.02, least 6.10 in an unobtrusive way. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $6.14, certainly most extreme 6.57, really least 5.71, which most certainly is genuinely huge. A share endlessness figure on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $5.84, exceptionally greatest 6.25, truly least 5.43 in an unpretentious way. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost $5.70, sort of greatest 6.10, truly least 5.30. A share boundlessness estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost $5.93, beautiful greatest 6.35, especially least 5.51 amazingly. In about 14 days, a share limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost $5.71, essentially greatest 6.11 in every way that really matters, least 5.31 in a fundamentally significant way. A share vastness gauge on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $5.70, for the most part greatest 6.10, least 5.30, showing how a share limitlessness conjecture on Friday, walk 24, cost $5.93, extremely greatest 6.35, least 5.51, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $5.82, genuinely greatest 6.23, genuinely least 5.41, which sort of is genuinely critical. A share endlessness estimate on Thursday, walk 30, cost $5.61, genuinely greatest 6.00, truly least 5.22, or so they essentially thought. A share endlessness cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $5.38 in every way that really matters, most extreme 5.76, least 5.00, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks, a share vastness estimate on Monday, April 3, cost $5.36, sort of greatest 5.74, least 4.98 amazingly. A share vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost $5.26, especially greatest 5.63, really least 4.89 in an extremely significant way. A share boundlessness conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost $5.03, truly greatest 5.38, exceptionally least 4.68. So genuinely reverse rate, United States dollars to axes, which generally is genuinely huge. A share endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $5.22, greatest 5.59, Truly least 4.85 in a by and large significant manner. Axie endlessness conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost $5.16, sort of most extreme 5.52, by and large least 4.80, or so they truly thought. In about a month Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $5.08, genuinely most extreme 5.44, especially least 4.72 in a kind of huge manner. Axie limitlessness figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $5.50, truly most extreme 5.89, especially least 5.12, or so they certainly thought. United States dollars to axes conversion scale, sort of equivalent to 0.1392 coins per $1. Showing how Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $5.38, beautiful most extreme 5.76, fundamentally least 5.00 in a by and large huge manner. Today's reach, 0.1293 0.1424, showing how Axie endlessness gauge on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $5.70, kind of greatest 6.10, beautiful least 5.30. Exhibiting how Axie limitlessness figure on Friday, walk 24, cost $5.93, most certainly greatest 6.35 in every practical sense, least 5.51 in a by and large significant manner, the past day's nearby, 0.1348, which generally shows that Axie vastness cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost $6.44, most certainly greatest 6.89. Genuinely least 5.99 in a sort of significant manner, change for now plus 0.0044, plus 3.26% in an especially significant way. United States dollars to axes cost figure 4, in the not so distant future and month in a very significant manner, dollar to Axie vastness conjecture on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.129 coins, kind of greatest 0.139, truly least 0.121. Exhibiting that Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost $5.61, truly most extreme 6.00, essentially least 5.22, or so they thought. United States dollars to axes expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.139 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.150, exceptionally least 0.130. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Axie limitlessness estimate on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.152 coins, beautiful greatest 0.164, lovely least 0.142. United States dollars to axes forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.157 coins, kind of greatest 0.169, especially least 0.147 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost 0.15.